Bok choy and stir fried with garlic, or bok choy and garlic stir fried. This is so easy, so delicious. It can all be done in less than 5 minutes, about 2 to 3 minutes. This is gonna be easy and good, so let's go. Here are the components. We took about two strands or two clumps of bok choy, some garlic, a bit of onions, and that's it. Yes, recipe will be in the description below. So now let's go. We can use butter, but we're gonna use regular oil. This way, everyone can just do this so simple. Just a bit of oil. All right. Now we get it hot. And once it's really hot, we gotta turn the pan, make sure everything is coated and all good. Yes. There you go. Now we get this hot. And then we start with the garlic and then onions. All right, here it is hot now. We start with the onions. Sorry. Stir it. Make sure it doesn't get burnt up because we don't want this tasting bitter. And now, about 2 to 3 cloves of garlic. Sorry, crushed. There. This is about 3 cloves of garlic crushed. Mix it up. Make sure everything is oiled up. We lower the heat because we don't want to burn this quick. Alright, there you go. We can maintain medium to high heat, but we gotta move faster, like the Chinese food that we see. But I can't do that, so we don't want this burned up. Now we mix it well. Make sure it's oiled up. Yes, it's cooking really good now. Yes, this smells really good. Now we start with the white parts of the bok choy because this one takes a little longer to cook. So we use that first. We put that there so that it can cook ahead of time. All right. Now we mix it around so that all pieces get oiled up, so that they can cook equally and really good. Oh yes, this is starting to smell and look really, really good. And it's so easy, right? Okay, yeah, we make sure everything's laid up properly. Okay, now it looks good. Yes. Now we mix it again. And about after like maybe 20 to 30 seconds, it doesn't take 1 minute because it's gonna get overcooked. Okay, now it's all good. Now we put the green parts, the leafy parts of the bok choy. Yes. And now it's almost done. Can you imagine how quick this is? Now we mix it up, make sure everything is oiled up, it's getting cooked. We lower the heat a bit more. So now we are in low heat. Yes, it's getting good. Mix it gently so we don't want to tear up the leaves because it's already chopped. Yes. Keep mixing, and you can see it's starting to get cooked even more, right? Oh yeah, this is almost ready. It's almost done. Look at that. It's getting cooked right before our eyes in about less than a minute, right? It is so quick and easy. Yes. And you can eat this alone on with rice or with bacon and all that stuff. Here we put some crushed black pepper just to season it up. And of course, this is optional, but about a small teaspoon of oyster sauce. There you go. That's about a teaspoon of oyster sauce. Some actually put soy sauce, but this is actually more than enough. Because the bok choy is actually, you know, juicing out or secreting out a bit of liquid, so it's gonna cook really, really good. Oh yeah, this is almost done. It's actually done. Get the rice ready, and this is gonna be so good. Let's mix it up really well now. There you go. Okay, that's it. Let me unclip the phone and show you guys. Would you look at that? Oh, yes. And if you're enjoying this, you can subscribe and so that we can always be in the same community. And of course, you can click on the end screen here for the other stuff and you can enjoy cooking with Ralph. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this with me. I had fun. Hope you has had as much fun as I did.